OpenSUSE versus Fedora. Which Linux distro should you use? So both OpenSUSE and Fedora are respected community-driven Linux distributors backed by major enterprise players. SUSE and Red Hat. They target developers, sysadmins, and power users who want cutting-edge tech without sacrificing stability. But their philosophies differ. OpenSUSE focuses on system control and flexibility, while Fedora emphasizes upstreams, innovation, and Red Hat alignment. Now let's compare them. OpenSUSE comes in two main editions: Leap, so this is stable regular releases, and Tumbleweed rolling release with the latest packages. It's known for its powerful YAST control center, advanced system configuration tools, and strong support for KDE Plasma. It's ideal for users who want fine-grained system control and long-term reliability with the option to stay bleeding edge. Now, Fedora is Red Hat's upstream testing ground, offering the latest kernels, GNOME desktop releases, and emerging technologies ahead of other distros. It's clean, modern, and developer friendly with excellent Flatpak, SE Linux, and container support, including Podman and Toolbox. Fedora Workstation is especially popular among GNOME users and software developers. So OpenSUSE offers more control-oriented tools, especially with YAST and BTRFS-based rollback support. Fedora delivers cleaner defaults and fast access to new Linux technologies. Now, if you value system customization and choice between stable or rolling, go with OpenSUSE. If you prefer GNOME frequent updates and Red Hat aligned development, Fedora fits better. Both are excellent. Your preference depends on whether you want control or convenience. Final thought, so go with OpenSUSE if you want a flexible, robust system with deep configuration tools and snapshot safety, or go with Fedora if you want a clean, modern, fast-evolving desktop with enterprise-backed innovation.